Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic Hemichordata. So this is from the chapter Animal Kingdom. So watch the entire video lecture to gain basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic Hemichordata. So let's start. So let's start with the topic phylum Hemichordata. So you can see a very interesting picture is given. You can see Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum of Chordata, like chordates. Like chordates, it has a pharyngeal gill slits. So phylum Hemichordata, we'll discuss about the general characteristics. So you can see right inside a lot of pictures are given. So they have organ system. Their body is made up of organs. So they have an organ system. These are the grades of organization. Now let's talk about the symmetry. They have a bilateral symmetry. Alright, like we human beings have a bilateral symmetry. That means their body can be divided equally in only just one plane. Next we move to next characteristics, that is germinal layer. So you can see they are triploblastic organism. Triplo means three. That means they have a three germinal layers. One is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. That means outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. Alright, you can see the labelings given. Now we have coelom. So they have a true coelom present. That means they are coelomate organism. Alright, so you can see the structures given. Coelom structure has been given. You can see the ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, coelom, and mesentery. Now let's come to the habit and habitat. They are exclusively marine in nature. Alright, so phylum Hemichordata, they are exclusively marine in nature. Now let's talk about the digestive system. Digestive system is complete. Alright, you can see that the digestive system is complete. Next, let's talk about the respiratory system. Under respiratory system, they have gills through which they does this respiration, right? So gills help to perform the respiration activity. Now let's talk about the circulatory system. Their circulatory system is open type, right? So their circulatory system is open type. Now let's come to the reproduction. So they are dioecious organism. Dioecious, that means male or separate organism, female or separate organism. They have external fertilization, and then we have development is indirect. So under reproduction, they are dioecious. They have external fertilization, and their development is indirect. Now certain unique features they have in the phylum Hemichordata. Their worm-like cylindrical body formed of anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. So they have anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. And collar bears stomochord, that is a rudimentary structure similar to notochord, and their excretion by proboscis gland. Alright, so by proboscis gland, it does its excretion. Now we have certain examples of phylum Hemichordata. You can see Balanoglossus, that means stongue Alright, so you can see Balanoglossus stongue is an example of phylum Hemichordata. Another is there Saccoglossus. Alright, these are two examples of Hemichordata I have given, phylum Hemichordata. Now let's see the characters of phylum Hemichordata at a glance. So the organization is, the grades of organization is organ system. They have a bilateral symmetry. They're triploblastic in nature. They're coelomate. They have coelomate in the body, and they are exclusively marine. And the digestive system is complete. The respiratory system has gills, so from where it does its respiration, and the circulation is open type. Now let's move to reproduction. They are dioecious. Their external fertilization, and they does the development is indirect, and certain unique features they have, like they are worm-like cylindrical body with proboscis, collar and trunk. The collar bears stomachode and excretion by proboscis gland. And two examples are given. One is balanoglossus, that is stung worm, another is saccoglossus. Thank you students, this was all about the entire video lecture. Here I have discussed about the topic Hemichordator from the chapter Animal Kingdom. Hope you have liked this video lecture and you have understood it. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomuji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.